Tell me about the price action you've identified on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, Joel.
Yeah, so most people are comfortable looking at, the price of Bitcoin relative to the US dollar, the price of ETH relative to the US dollar. What we've noticed this week is some interesting price action in the ratio between ETH and Bitcoin, eliminating the dollar from the equation. What we've noticed is that the market has been, since late 2022, in a very clear downtrend. But into this week, the market has come into some significant support. And if you look back at its previous resistance turn support, if you look back at 2018, the market had some resistance in this area here in 2020, and then again in 21. A lot of resistance when it was breaking up, which now has turned to support. So there's a higher platform potentially that could be forming here. And what's interesting about the price action is that despite ongoing weakness against the US dollar that we've seen over the past several hours or in recent sessions, ETH has actually started to outperform. And this could be showing signs of an important, significant reversal here that should be paid attention to.
And then do you see any fundamental events coming up that supports this theory?
Well, I think that the important takeaway here is that if we are starting to see ETH outperformance relative to Bitcoin, it could set the stage for a very welcoming environment for cryptocurrencies overall. That is to say that it would be, if we're in a situation where both Bitcoin is rallying against the dollar and ETH is rallying against the dollar, but ETH is actually outperforming Bitcoin, that suggests that we're in a very market-friendly, risk appetite-friendly environment for cryptocurrencies. And what's interesting about that is that it comes at a time of the year, this potential reversal where we're going to see potential outperformance in ETH relative to Bitcoin. It comes at a time of year where we're heading into the fourth quarter, where cryptocurrencies have been their strongest historically. The fourth quarter for cryptocurrencies, and if you look at Bitcoin performance from 2013 to present, you can see that the fourth quarter is exceptionally robust as far as the performance goes. And so, we get through September, the final month of this third quarter, it's setting the stage for what could be some fundamentally attractive setups and themes as we kind of look to round out the year. So, yeah, I think it's interesting to see when sometimes you eliminate the US dollar and you look at the relationships between the two kind of leading cryptocurrencies, that there could be some interesting takeaways. And right now, if ETH is bottoming out, in fact, against Bitcoin, it could be a very bullish development.
Import the Black Bull Markets calendar to your email to receive alerts about upcoming economic events in your inbox, enabling you to plan your positions in advance and seize trading opportunities. Follow the link in the description to get started.